Last year at the height of the garden season, we made some super tasty gazpacho. Today we're going to make Salmorejo, another healthy Spanish classic that celebrates the incredible flavor of really fresh vine-ripened tomatoes. So let's get started. Out go the seeds. Look, just like that. This gives the soup a nice texture and a really nice flavor if you're using good bread. Everything's in the blender and ready. It's been about a minute, so now I'm ready to add the extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to start it on a slow speed and then remove the cap and gently pour the olive oil in. And now it's time to taste it. Add a little bit of sea salt, blend it a bit more, and put it in the fridge. That's all there is to it. It's so light. It's got so much tomato flavor. I can taste the olive oil in it, a little bit of salt, and a touch of garlic, just the way it should be. So let's put this in the fridge, and we'll come back in about a half an hour and serve it up.